After NEET examination, the most asked question is, ma'am, which among these courses are better? Is it BAMS? Is it BPT? Is it BHMS? BDS? Because many of my relatives are telling this is better. Some of them are telling this is better. After this video, you will not have to search for it, because here I have taken the cutoff, I've taken the salaries, I've taken the job opportunities, and also, understanding about different scope, okay, of all these jobs. You will be able to know which is best for you. Again, students, it totally based on your interest, but again, you can take all these factors into consideration. Okay, first let's try to understand which are these courses and what's the full form of all these courses, right? So we start with BAMS, students, Bachelors of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Now when I talk about BPT, you should also understand that there is an exam where you don't require NEET as well. Okay, you do not require NEET here. They might conduct exams in different colleges, so it will be different colleges conducting the exam. So why worry about, ma'am, I could not do well, I will not have any other job? Nothing like that, because you're going to end up getting jobs. As the cutoff is going to go down, I will also show you what is the the approximate cutoff, and again 10 or plus 10 or minus 10 can happen with that. Okay, now BHMS, students, Bachelors of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Now let's try to understand these courses are going to offer what kind of jobs, what is the eligibility criteria. Okay, first thing, eligibility criteria, very simple. You have to take PCMB. Biology is compulsory, biology is required, and you should have completed your 12th with 50 to 60% mark. Different courses have different range, but let's say 60%. I know all of you have scored very well in your 12th. Minimum age should be 17, and students, entrance exam. Now remember that these three exams need your NEET UG, but even if you are at a range of 370 or even below that, you can easily get in for these courses. So why worry? Just stay tuned to the video till the end, and you will get to know which are the courses that you can choose according to how much you are scoring in your NEET 2025. Okay, so the entrance exam is going to be NEET for BAMS, BHMS, BDS, and for BPT, NEET UG is accepted in some colleges, while other colleges conduct their own entrance exam for or offers admission. You don't even have to write your NEET examination. You can get directly admissions, or if there is some colleges like let's say the top universities are doing some examination, again it will be very simple. The competition is not going to be as high as your NEET exam. Okay, and students, 12th grade marks will be taken into consideration. Now, if you see the years, okay, how many years I have to invest, ma'am, how many years are these courses going to take? Students, the duration is generally 4.5 to 5.5, exactly like how you do your MBBS. Okay, BAMS is going to be 5.5 years, and focus area is going to be Ayurveda, and internship you can do for 1 year. Okay, now BPT, students, 4.5 years, again physiotherapy, and you can do internship for 6 months. BHMS 5.5 years and homeopathy, and you have to do internship for 1 year. Same thing goes for BDS, 5 years dental science and 1 year of internship. Now internships are easily available in India, because all these number of colleges that offers these courses also will be mentioned in this video. So everything that you need to know about these 4 courses will be in this video. All you have to do is just see if you are interested or you have passion to any of one courses. Let's see, at the end of the video you might lean towards one of the courses. If something like that is there, please go for it. And let me tell you, it's not just that okay ma'am, I'm doing BDS or I'm doing BPT or I'm doing BHMS. You are also going to take part in surgeries. You're going to assist a surgeon. So many things like that is there. Okay, yes. Now let's go forward and understand BAMS, students. What are the jobs that you can take? Okay, Ayurvedic doctor, government practitioner, wellness industry. Wellness industry nowadays, it's blooming a lot, because people are too more involved into wellness than before. Okay, PG in MD Ayurveda, you can take MD or MS in all these courses as well. Now BPT, when I talk about physiotherapists, rehab centers, hospitals, sports teams. Now let me tell you, rehab centers and sports is highest paid, right? You all know how much rehab centers have increased in India. At the same time, being a part of any of the sports team can fetch you lakhs of money, because this course is not done by majority of the students, because many students only think of MBBS and they do not see other courses, other branches which are below that. So BPT is something that can give you lakhs of salary if you get into sports or rehab centers. Okay, yes. Now students, BHMS, homeopathic doctor, clinic, research, again you can do PG. Okay, now BDS, as you know, dentist, clinical practice, MDS or cosmetic. Now let me tell you, among this, cosmetic is the highest paid again. Okay, cosmetic, and if you get into a really good hospital, dentist is like Students, is no just like, okay, cleaning, filling. It's not about that. It's about arrangement. It's also making the, structure of the face. So cosmetic industry has a lot of value for BDS. Okay. Lot of value for BDS. So I've highlighted the places where, you can put your eyes into and also research about. Okay. Now going forward, students, look at the number of colleges so that you don't have to be worried about, ma'am, will I get a college? Okay, because you're going to get the cutoff also in this video. So students, BAMS has around 450 plus, around 495 colleges are there, government and private. BDS has around 25,000 plus seats. Okay, 25,000 plus seats, and BPT has around 500 plus colleges. So please understand, college and seat numbers are different, right? And BHMS, students, it has around 250 plus colleges. So you can see there are enough colleges for all of you to take admissions. All that you have to do is you have to find your interest. Okay. Now, talking about the cutoff, very, very important. I think most of you have been searching and trying to find that what is the cutoff for BDS, ma'am, especially for the general. So in this here, I'm going to tell you that what is the cutoff for BDS general category. So we can expect, last year I think it was around 570 for the closing rank. So here we can expect that it can go up to, let's say, 100 or 80 below. It can go up to 490 plus or minus 10. 490 plus or minus 10 for BDS general category. OBC students 485, EWS 480 plus, SC 380 plus or minus 10, ST also 310 plus or minus. So you can see everywhere I've put a margin of plus 10 or minus 10. Mostly it will be minus, because the cutoff has dropped down and it will not go more than 5, 10 above at any cost. So you have a high chance of getting into BDS. Now, when you talk about what is the general cutoff for BAMS, if you are worried about, let me tell you, the general cutoff for BAMS is going to be 470 plus or minus 10 students, and OBC, again, OBC and general, maybe they're like a 5 difference or so. So we can say this is like 460, okay, 465, and this is around 460. So around that range, and EWS 465 or 450, okay, SC 345 and ST 300 plus. So you do not have to worry that, ma'am, if I am getting 300, will I actually be able to do a job that lands in a good salary? Yes, students, you have BAMS course. If you are in an ST category, you can get in easily for 290 to 300, plus or minus 10 can happen. So you can get into a job this year itself. You can get into a course this year itself, which is again associated with your, medical field itself. Okay. Now, talking about BHMS, again, BHMS, please understand, homeopathy is something that we have been following from our ancestor time. So, the general cutoff for BHMS is also going to be very less, okay, very less compared to BDS. It is going to be 405 plus or minus 10. OBC, again, similar students. EWS, everywhere you can just minus the 10, okay, 310, 305 and 270. Yes, just imagine. Many students have been texting me, ma'am, I've got 270, ma'am, when I calculated. Will I actually be able to do some alternative course? Yes, students, you have option of doing BHMS if you are in ST category. Even if you are in general also, it's not going that high. It's going to 405. That's it. So you can get into a course, and 4.5 years to 5 years is the thing. 1 year of internship is there, and so many colleges also are offering this. Okay. Now, when we go to BPT, as you know, BPT NEET is not compulsory. If the college is conducting an exam, you can write it. So there's no cutoff as such. Okay. Now, let's talk about the most interesting thing that all of you wanted to know. Ma'am, what is the salary if I want to become a dentist? Or what is the salary if I take BAMS? Then here I am going to tell you, students, listen to me carefully. If you are taking BAMS, as a fresher, you can start from 25k to 35k or 40k, depending on where you are joining or what kind of course you are taking. Okay. If you get 3 to 5 years of experience in all these courses, you can easily go up to 80k salary. Okay. And if you get high end, or if you are putting your own clinic, you can easily go 10 to 20 lakhs. I told you there is no limit. If you're doing a private firm, many companies, many private hospitals are earning in crores day by day. Okay. Let's say cosmetics. Okay. Rehab, sports. All these are high end. Okay. So there is no limit for that. Okay. There is no limit for that. Now, when we talk about BPT, because many of you are confused, ma'am, physiotherapy really, is it actually valid in India? Students, if you're planning to go abroad, well and good. But if you're in India as a fresher, you can get 20 to 25,000, even go up to 40,000. And if you get 3 to 5 years of experience, you can easily go to 80 lakhs. And after that, you can get easily 1 to 1.5 lakhs. And that is a good amount for a person who has, let's say, 5 to 6 years of experience. You can go more than that depending on which clinic you're choosing and what kind of a course you're doing. Okay. So here you can see 50 to 30K, 40 to 60K and 8 to 12 LPA. Now students, BHMS 20 to 35K, 40 to 70K and 5 to 10 LPA. Now BDS students, you can remember 30 to 50K, 80 to 1.5 lakhs. So in 3 to 4 years, you can, 5 years, a dentist can earn up to 1.5 lakhs, and if you go for high-end clinic or something, you can get up to 25 lakhs per year. Okay, this is understand per year. There are people who also earn it in, a quarter, a 3 months, a 6 months, this much amount as well. Okay, so that's why I told you high end, there is no proper numbers. It depends on what you're taking. Okay, so this is your salaries. I hope there's no confusion in the salaries. Now, let's just understand which course should I choose, or depending on the scope. Ma'am, can you tell me which course? Now, look at here, students. BDS, according to salary potential, there's a 4-star, and depending on scope in India, there is a 3-star. Okay, it's because nowadays dentist, every clinic there is a dentist. So because of that, the number of dentists might have increased over the years. So because of that, there is a 3-star. And scope abroad, definitely scope abroad for all these courses are more compared to India, because of how much people are moving into wellness, moving into homeopathy, and people have understood the uses of Ayurveda. So if you're planning to go abroad, do some courses or get into a clinic there, then let me tell you, your life will be settled. Okay, so students, you can see scope abroad is a 4-star. So you can plan MDS or you can go start a own clinic. Okay, now if you go to BAMS students, you will see 3 stars in salary potential compared to a dentist, but there is a 4-star in scope in India. Okay, and again, scope in abroad is comparatively less. Okay, comparatively less. You can aim for Ayush or government setup. Okay, government setup will be a good thing here for you. Now, BHMS students, 2 stars, scope in India 2, scope abroad, you are committed to homeopathy. See, homeopathy definitely has relevance, but the thing is, now we are living our life in a very fast mode. So because of that, people do not have the patience to wait. But let me tell you, in abroad also, a lot of people are moving towards our Ayurveda, going to our Indian ancestral roots to understand about medicine. So this is, again, you do not have to blindly trust these stars. This is different people's opinion on it, but you know what you want or what you like. So towards that you can lean. Again, BPD students, 3 stars and 4 stars. See, this is what I told you. Be it rehab, be it sports, it has a lot of value in, cities and towns and all of that. Again, so BPD, you can see, generally you can aim to go abroad or you can go for specialization. So this is my take on all these courses. Now again, all of us will have different opinions, and please understand, your salary will vary depending on your experience, depending on your expertise, and depending on where the clinic is there, where the hospital is located. That matters a lot. Okay, if you're in a place like Bangalore, or where the industry here, there's a lot of, it's a hub for corporate, then you can go up to any range. People actually ready to pay that much money. But if you're going to a small village or a small city like that, which is not well developed, the salary will drop down. Okay, now students, please understand, we have V-Ignite coming soon. Okay, so I want all of you to be there tomorrow for V-Ignite, because this will help you restart your entire NEET 2026 preparation, and also give you something that you really want at this point of time. So I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you want for any other courses, and if you are feeling happy that yes ma'am, I can actually land in some course this year itself and I can make my parents proud because I'm still going to be related somewhere to medicals, then quickly smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, do not forget to do that. Thank you so much for joining. See you all. I'm Ms. Gopika, your own biology master teacher, signing off.